Welcome back to our channel, or hello if you're new, and this video is all about us eating gorgeous food on the Disney Fantasy Animators Palate. Enjoy! Right, we're dining in Animators Palate again, but look, hi! You get to draw your own character. Ooh. So we finished the drawing. Flowery jumper, stripy trousers, and we've got some yummy tomato and caramelised onion dip with our rolls. And look at JP, he looks so cute! He does! He looks grumpy.
He's so cool.
Has John got a red head? Put your head down.
No.
Let me just check on the camera and see if it's red.
No.
I think he might have caught the sun today. I've got seasickness tonight. I'm not enjoying this. The man over to our right isn't as red now though.
Now that's what I call a colorful entrance. Oh, hi folks. Oh gosh, thanks for all the great drawings. These are just what I need to whip up a little animation magic. I'll be back later, but right now we invite you to sit back and relax as the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be affectionately and we like the rest. So toujours harder while we all
JP's red head and face. And KP's satay. The boat is rocking so much tonight. It's like, oh, it's not good. Favourite head waiter. Favourite. That head waiter was so much fun. He entertained all the children with little tricks as well. This restaurant is so much fun. There's so much to see and do.
Thank you very much.
Beef Wellington. Red face and head. And lamb. And I've just asked for some mint sauce. They do mint jelly. Yay! Celebration cake, orchard peach tart, chocolate decadent, berry cherry chocolate sundae done, amaretto cheesecake, cappuccino. I'm having a very cherry chocolate sundae. What are you having?
Amaretto cheesecake.
You're having cheesecake. Done. So now we get to see a show, which is awesome. So you know the pictures that we did our lovely portraits on? This is a little showing of everybody in the dining rooms, portraits pulled together in a little short movie, and it is so cute. And it goes around all the screens and you can see your little picture. Look, it turns out it's little animated men and women and little children and animals. So next time we go on a cruise ship, we will definitely know that you do this. Look, people brought their own colours as well, because you don't actually get all those coloured pens. So the pros on this cruise ship who knew this was happening, look at these, these are so cute, knew this was happening, came prepared. So next time we do one, we're so going to be prepared for this. enjoy the little mini show, and then we will have our review on pudding. My little cheeky sundae with a Mickey and JP's amaretto cheesecake. Mine looks better. And tonight in the room we have a swan, and it's so wavy. Oh my gosh, I've never been on a ship that is as wavy as this. So tonight we've got our bill, we've got castaway key, and then we've got these lovely little envelopes which we can put our nominations in. Oh gosh, and JP's gone outside, hold on. Holy moly moly, that is some swell. Nice and warm. Loads of storms. That doesn't look swelly, but it is. Believe me. Fireworks tonight. Looks blurry, but literally we were up on the top deck and the ship was moving so much. Oh my goodness. I was swaying all over the place, but the fireworks are beautiful at sea. I would highly recommend fireworks on the Disney Fantasy cruise ship or any other Disney cruise ships. Stay up that little bit later and definitely catch them because they are totally magical and worth it.
don't like that. And that's not because they accidentally do it. It's just very
Who
pretty.
else does that? Who else gets pointing movement? The shit is way rocky. I'll show you the curtains. Yeah.
With a bit of stuff.
On the news, we saw that there's quite a few hurricanes coming in again. So we're in between leaving Jamaica and coming into Costa Rica, wherever that is, wherever that bit of ocean is. Yeah, the camera definitely isn't picking up, but you can slightly see that the curtains are moving. But when you're sitting there and you're actually in that motion, ooh. So if you made it to the end, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit subscribe, like, notification bell, and we'll catch you on our next video. Bye!